Hello, I am Desmond, and today I'll be showing you how to upgrade the RAM in your PC for completely free, and this is legal. You may have different reasons for upgrading your RAM, maybe for gaming, video editing, and many more. Basically, what this does is that it takes memory from your hard drive and turns it to memory in which is used for RAM. This is actually called virtual RAM, and it works like the physical RAM in your PC. This will work for Windows XP, Windows Vista 7, Windows 8, and I'm assuming Windows 10. This boosts up your PC for maybe 20 or 30%. So all you want to do is come to my computer, right click and take properties. As you can see, I've got 4 GB of RAM in my PC. So you want to click on advanced system settings, and here you find different options. Then you take on performance. Under this performance, click on settings, and under this performance option, take advanced. Then come down here and click on change. You uncheck this automatic manage paging files, and then click here on custom size. Then you want to open your calculator because we have to do some calculation here. Okay, 1 GB of RAM is 124 megabytes. So you want to multiply this with what you have got in your PC here. I've got 4 GB of RAM. Multiply by 4, or with what we have got in your PC as physical RAM. You give me this. Then you multiply it by 1.5. Actually, some people multiply by 2, but I think 1.5 is the recommended. Then this value you have here, you can put it here. You put it here in the initial size and in the maximum. But what the machines or what is recommended for you, you will find it under recommended here. The minimum allowed is 16 here. Recommended is this, but you can equally use this, what you calculate here. So I will just use the recommended, which I prefer, 3527. We equally put it here. Actually, you can use what you calculated here, or you use recommended, but actually I prefer recommended. Then you click on set and OK. So it will ask you to restart your computer before actually it will take effect. You click on OK, and then this message will be prompted to you, restart. So you restart your computer and you have actually upgraded your RAM. And for more and better performance, I'll advise you upgrade your physical RAM than the virtual RAM if you have the money to do so. I'll just restart. Click the thumbs up button if you like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.